Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to delete runs on Strava. First, just go ahead and open the Strava app, and you will land in the home screen. And here, go to the U option at the bottom right corner of the screen. And from here, just go ahead and close this, and now at the top, you will see an activity option. Just go ahead and click on Activity, and here you will see your run will be listed here. Now just go ahead and tap on the run that you want to delete, just like so, and once that you have done that, just go ahead and close it, and you will see the three dot at the top right. Just go ahead and click on the three dot, and here you will see different options, which are Add Media, Edit Activity, Refresh, and Delete Activity. Just go ahead and click on Delete Activity, and here click on Delete if prompted, and your run will be successfully removed from Strava. So the simple rule is open your activity, tap the three dot, and choose to delete or remove our run, and that's it. We just learned how to delete runs on Strava by opening an activity, accessing the menu, and selecting Delete Activity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.